Hi there, students. A corpus. I think it's a corpus of information. Um, I think nowadays this word corpus is used for a collection of information all in one place. Let's see, a corpus is particularly a collection of the written works by a particular author. So this shelf here is a corpus of all of the writings of Shakespeare. This and that shelf is a corpus of all the works by John Donne. Okay, so a collection of written text. It could be a collection of written text on the same subject. So a corpus of books about the evolution of species, or a corpus of books about relativity and things like that. So a corpus, I think today a corpus is a collection of either written or spoken material that can be read by the computer and is used for linguistic research. So a collection of material stored on a computer to find out how language is used. So the examples given are taken from a corpus of all of the words in the English language. Okay, so a corpus is a collection of information, a collection of writing on a specific topic, on a specific genre, from a specific group of people, from a specific author. So it's a collection of work about something, a corpus of work. So my channel is a corpus of the English language. I think a corpus nowadays as well is for linguistics, and it's an electronic database for analysis of language. But a corpus, a collection of things. Notice the plural, corpora, so several corpora of various different things. Okay, so a corpus, a collection of written texts, a collection of things. The writings of a particular kind, or on a particular subject, or by a particular author. It's a collection of knowledge. It's a collection of evidence, or perhaps a collection of spoken phrases, which can then be used to analyze language. So a corpus, a large collection of written or spoken texts that is used for language research. A compilation, and then a body of writing by a single author. A corpus of all of the works by Charles Dickens. Okay, so a corpus, a body of work, a compilation of work. I've got the corpus of Shakespeare's works at home. Okay, so all of them put together. Okay, so this is the idea of this corpus. It's a collection of information, but a collection normally about a specific topic, about a specific something, whatever it is, but a collection about that. But it's with language, with words, with quotations, with information about it. So formality, a corpus of work. 6.5 or 7 in formality, semi-formal or above, and it comes directly from Latin, from the word corpus, meaning a body. And effectively, yes, it's a body of work. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Corpus, a corpus, corpora.